Hey, this is Andrew.
And I'm Corey, and we are Bateman Labs, and we are here to tell you about Encore, our newest product.
Yeah, so why have we created Encore?
We were really looking for something that would fill out our product line and give us a bit more of a mid-range option for people, fits a few more budgets. We wanted to go with a design that was simple and clean, seamless and effective, and that's what we have here.
So, what makes Encore so special?
So Encore has a magnetic attachment system. It's the world's first magnetic wooden armchair. So we've embedded metal into the arms that allow you to take a desk and attach it magnetically to the arms of the chair. So just like that, it's a nice firm fit that holds things in place while you're working on it, but it also is continuously adjustable. So this can be slid back and forth across the arm to get the right distance for your comfort level. When you're not using it, or you want to stand up, you can snap it onto the side. That can be used as a side table as well. And when you're totally done with it, you can actually take it off and store it right on the back of the chair. We've got another magnetic stripe built in there, and this allows it to be stored completely out of sight.
All right, so that was super comfortable as I was sitting in it. How did we make it so comfortable?
So we took everything we learned from our flagship chair, the Envy Armchair, and we brought it into this chair. The seat cushion is very firm and made of the same high quality foam rated to last for 10 years. Because of the firmness, you can sit in it for long periods of time without a lot of fatigue. The back has a bit of shaping to give you some of that lumbar support, and overall, the seating position is relaxed but upright, allowing you to spend many hours in it in a sort of active working position. As a bonus, these are not attached to the chair. They are not stapled or glued. These are completely removable. And what this means is we've been able to create a system where you can remove these covers. You can wash them, you can replace them if they get damaged, or if you just decide that you want a different color. So this is very durable, long-lasting, and made to be maintained for many, many years to come. With that, we've got 5 different upholstery options and 2 different types of wood that you can pick from.
So, tell me about the materials and how this chair is made.
So, these are made out of solid wood. We make them out of black walnut or white oak. These are classic, durable hardwoods that fit great into all kinds of different aesthetics and homes. These are made in small batches by a team of woodworkers up here in Canada. That's us. These are made by hand. They are assembled with a lot of care and love, and they are made to last a lifetime. So not only is the chair incredibly sturdy, it also breaks down flat. So when we ship it to you, it comes flat, assembles with just a handful of bolts, an incredibly sturdy way. But this also means that you can take it apart when you need to move.
Super cool. What about the future of the product? So you showed the desk being attached magnetically to the arms of the chair. Are we going to offer any other accessories, anything like that?
I mean, true to our brand, we love to have lots of accessories. We know that there's lots of other little things that you need when you're working at a chair like this. So we're developing armrest pads for it that give you a little bit of relief to your elbows while you are working there. Those are going to be magnetic and attached to the magnetic arm as well. We're going to offer a cup holder, a half desk for a little bit more light duty work. We are developing an ottoman, much like with our flagship model, the Envy Armchair. There will be an ottoman which you can mount a monitor to if that's the way that you prefer to be working, if you're not working on a laptop. So once again, made to be very versatile. That is something that we will have on offer. As well, we're developing magnetic spacer blocks that can be easily placed along the arm to raise up the height of the desk. This is something that was commonly requested with our other products. This allows you to get a little bit more leg room if you need it. We really want to be making this product to accommodate all different body types, and that's what that's going to allow us to do. So, what do you do if you want to get one of these things?
So our pre-order page is now live on our website, batemanlabs.com. And we've also got a pre-order promotion going on. You can save $200 when you pre-order. We'll be shipping them this fall.
Fall of 2025.
Yep, and the $200 off is good until about the end of August.
Now, feel free to get in touch with us and tell us what you think. Get in the comments down there. You can also get a hold of us through our contact form on our website at batemanlabs.com, and there's an email list there as well that you can join if you want to keep updated on the progress.
Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.